Yo, what's up everyone? Really appreciate you all for tuning in. And yes, before you tune into the live stream, just remember, please do your own research, not financial advice. So yeah, without further ado, let's get straight to it. Ready for another great trading day? It's gonna be great. So hold on, give me a second here. One second. Alright, so now what I'm seeing here, and this is on the keys. Of course, we're going to go over the keys and then SPY first, and then we'll work our way down. Alright, so this looks, really amazing. So what I saw here, or what I see here, and we'll break it down. Yes, we can go over, a higher time frame, play here to the upside. But as of right now, this is what I'm seeing here as well. So, yo, what's up everyone? Appreciate you all for tuning back in. Alright, so what I saw here, or what I see, clear move up of no consolidation. And yes, this is exactly what I want to the downside. Obviously, what do I need here? I would need a top wall and also a bottom wall. So this is a nice top here. And this bottom wall is going to be very, very important because this is what needs to be broken in order for us to target to this downside. So as you can see, there are... Yo, Elite, what's up? Honestly, it looks like we have a little bit to keep going up, but we'll just have to see how, closer open brings. But yeah, as of right now, what do I see here? Clear move up, no consolidation. This is exactly what I want to the downside. If we end up breaking below this wall here, so yes, underneath this wall here, I'm looking for the next resistance, and I don't see any resistance, guys and gals, until boom, this red candle here. And yes, this is also another area of consolidation. So as of right now, looks like sellers are trying to, control this floor here. But if we can end up breaking under this level, my first TP will be from the entry to the exit, the literal middle of this move. And this is called our imbalance. This is where we typically trim contracts. Obviously, no, I'm not saying you guys to buy anything, so please do your own research. Plus, we're in consolidation, so there's just nothing for me to do anyways. But yeah, it looks really good. We have a clear move up, no consolidation. This is exactly what I want to the downside. And yeah, it looks really good. It looks really decent. This top wall here, let me see here, 1 second here. Looks like we have a little bit of empty space above us too. That doesn't look bad either. As you can see, we have a little bit of empty space here. So if we end up going above this wall, we can easily go up to this right here. So yes, another area of consolidation, another top wall, another bottom wall. So yes, we have empty space to the upside and also the downside too as well. Personally, I do like this downside movement. Hold on 1 second here. Doesn't look bad. Looks like, this may end up trying to hit right before the market opens, which is fine. But yes, I like this move down. So yeah, clear move up, we would love to take it to the downside. But no, not right now, definitely not. Please do your own research. Plus it's pre-market, so can't even get into anything anyways. Alright, so, oh my gosh, did you... Whoa, did you all see that? Well, it looks like the target hit right before the pre-market. Oh wow, so yes, we just had... Oh my goodness. So it looks like we touched into my final TP. Apple just did the same thing. Oh wow, that's... Well... Yo, appreciate you all for tuning in. Yeah, that ended up going directly into the empty space that I was just talking about 5 seconds ago. As you can see, what do we have here? We had a clear move down of no consolidation, and this is exactly what I wanted to the upside. As you can see, we ended up going up to the upside. Obviously, I like the downside movement a little bit more, but you can see where did we end up rejecting? We rejected right at my final take profit. Is there another TP? So no, definitely not. Obviously, we had the imbalance here, which is in the middle, but I didn't get time to add it. But yeah, obviously this play is pretty much done, at least to the upside. So there's just nothing that I want to do here. I do like this downside movement though. So we have a clear move up, no consolidation. If we end up breaking below this level, this wall, 1 second here. I don't see anyone. I don't see any resistance still down here. So yeah, it looks really good. Yo, Glock, thanks for sharing the live. Really appreciate it. So yeah, this is where sellers control. So if we end up punching back inside, we have early entry here. But yeah, as of right now, definitely this play is already done. And yes, we do this every day inside the Discord. Obviously, this is pre-market, so, and no, I'm not into this play. Not telling you guys to get in. I'm pretty much done. But yes, we do this every single day inside the Discord, just, you know, when market is opened, of course. As you can see for Tesla, we had a clear move down. No consolidation, and this is exactly what we want to the upside. We ended up breaking above, and yes, we ended up doing swing trades here. Yo, Millie, what's up? Good morning, Doc. What's up? Yo, Sky Guy, how are you, man? Let me pull up my notebook really quickly, and then we'll get started. All right, yeah, perfect. Hold on one second. All right, cool. Lulu, yeah, got you. We can definitely go over that. Coin and Lulu, got you guys and gals. And coin. All right, so, and as you can see, yes, every single day, or, you know, when the market is open at least, we like to swing trade. So we swing trade at the end of the day, the last hour. You can see what we do here. Obviously, we just hit a you know, a random play on the Qs. You can see where we ended up going up to. So that ended up working out great. Yo, Mr. Manager, what's up? So, yeah, we'll pretty much go over everything. But, yes, I can't tell you guys about anything. So, please do your own research, not financial advice. McCain, what's up? Yeah, TM. Yeah, hold on one second here. AAPL. Shining, what's up? What's up? Good to see you once again. All right, so you saw the Qs. We saw the empty space here. What happened? Pre-market, we ended up hitting. So, yes, there can be empty space. To the downside, we can take up. But yeah, let's keep on going, actually. Doesn't look bad, though. Alright, let's get out of here. Let me remove all this. I want to start fresh. Let's go to a 24-hour, and then we'll work our way down. So, as of right now, it's for Lulu. And that, you know, ended up doing really, really well. And as you can see, what do we have? We had a clear move down of no consolidation. I know, what's up, what's up? Yeah, I can definitely look at that. Yeah, thanks for the follows, really appreciate it. And yes, if you want to join the Discord, link is in the bio. We have a free chat and also the VIP chat as well. Alright, hold on. So it looks like we did end up breaking above this level, this wall here. We ended up tapping into this final TP already. As for me, I definitely wouldn't want to take a trade like this, just because, yes, we do have a little bit of empty space here. But just to be safe, we did already touch at least my final TP. For my first TP from the entry to the exit, the literal middle is exactly where we trade those contracts. And yeah, we already did that. I personally wouldn't want to take this trade. Obviously, no, I'm not saying guys to take anything. But yeah, that was a very good trade, I will definitely say. But no, I definitely wasn't in though, if anyone was wondering. But yeah, we had the empty space. We ended up breaking above the wall. We ended up tapping above. So that ended up working out great. On the bright side, yes, we do have some empty space now. So we have a clear move up of no consolidation that I would love to take to the downside. And that's pretty much it. Yo, Timmy, what's up? What's up? Yep, I can definitely do bros for you. Yeah, no worries. Let me write all this down. All right, so that was on Lulu. Let's go to Coin. And yeah, so pretty much just going down the line. So if I didn't get to you yet, no worries. We'll get to pretty much everything as well. Let me actually just pull everything up. Good to see you, Timmy. Good to see you. All right, so yeah, let me pull the. I'm just gonna pull these up as well. Yeah, I'll pull all this up. Yeah, let's do it. All right, so and Coin, we'll do Apple too. So yeah, no worries. Hold on one second here. Let me pull this over. Let me pull it Apple. So yeah, I'm pretty much just going down the line. So no worries. So now let's get to it. Let's go to Coin. Okay, so let's go to a 24-hour. And yes, I do like to go to a higher time frame and then work my way down. On a 24-hour, this is what I'm doing here. How are you doing? Dude, I'm doing well. I'm doing good. We actually had a great Monday yesterday. So honestly, just ready for, you know, some more trades and, you know, hold on one second. But yeah, just ready for today. It's going to be great. So what happens when you buy the candlestick gets over the blue bar? So so let's just say I'll just go over, a random example here. So let's just say, I'll just do this one right here. Actually, coin looks really good. So right now, and yeah, we'll go over that. Yeah, thanks for the follow, so appreciate it. What do we have here? Clear move down, no consolidation. This is exactly what we want to the upside. Obviously, what do we need here? We need a top wall and also bottom wall. So there was a top wall here. There was a bottom wall here. We did end up breaking above this level here into the empty space. And let's just say if we do end up breaking above this level, this wall, I don't see any resistance, guys and gals. So boom, this green candle here. And yes, we do have the empty space. Obviously, no, I'm not into this play. I probably won't chase it just because of how far we're up already. But we'll just have to see how everything plays out. But yeah, as you can see, empty space. We're above the box. So let's just say if we get above the box. Obviously, no, I'm not telling you guys to buy anything. So please do your own research. But let's just say we do get above the box here. And we're trying to go up to the upside. And we pass the blue bar. So this is going to be my buy mark. This is where I get in. And I have my stop loss set. And that's pretty much it. So that was on coin. Coin actually looks really good though. So TEM as well. Okay, for coin. So at least for me, I have this 269 area. This is where I saw, a little bit of resistance. Another box here. So yeah, as you can see, the middle of the move is this imbalance is where price can end up reversing. So just be very careful there. And yes, please do your own research. I'm not telling you guys to buy anything. So please, all do your own research. Yo, Vic, what's up? What's up? Your thoughts on Shiba? Honestly, for that I had a really good run on there back in like 2020 or whenever the coin came out. But other than that, yeah, after that I didn't really do any crypto. All right, so this does look really good to the upside. All right, so upside looks really good. I do like this downside movement. What I see on TEM, yes, I see a little bit more that I could do to the upside. But right now, this is what I would want to do here. And yeah, same exact thing, guys. In my Discord, I don't change anything. Doesn't matter which time frame. I use the same method on each play. And yes, if you want to see what we do inside the Discord, you can look at the games page. You can look at the testimonials. You can join the team. Link is in the bio. Or, I'm live every day too as well, so you don't have to join up. All right, so right here, well, I do like this bottom wall a little bit better though. So there's this bottom wall that I'm seeing that needs to be broken in order for us to target into this downside. So what downside movement do I see? So I see a clear move up of no consolidation that I would love to take to the downside. And if we end up breaking below this level, this wall, I don't see any resistance to, boom, this red candle there. And yes, as of right now, we are, pretty much in consolidation. I do not want to take this trade at all. If we end up breaking below this level, I don't see any resistance until, boom, this red candle there. So yes, as of right now, is there anything for me to do? Absolutely not. I'm just going to wait for a good trade, and that's pretty much it. So yeah, we wait for trades here, and yeah. Looks pretty decent though. We'll just have to see. All right, yeah, we'll pull that up too. So, bros, we'll also pull up. So we didn't do TTD. So TTD still looks pretty decent. We did have the clear empty space move down. We ended up breaking above the wall. So now it's either going to work or it's not. Obviously, no, I'm not going to tell you guys to get into anything. So please do your own research, not financial advice. But either the stop loss will be hit or the take profit will be hit. Oh yeah, it doesn't look bad though right now. Hold on one second here, 1 second. Bros, we already did pull up bros. So anyways, 1 second there. TM Apple. Actually, I gotta pull up Lunar here. Wrong one. All right, so yeah, this still looks really decent. So we'll go over this as well. We'll definitely go over that. Not looking bad though. I will be completely honest. Hold on 1 second here. Yo, Cos, yep, Wave, what's up, good morning, good to see you all. Hold on, guys, I gotta take some medicine, I'll be right back. All right, give me 1 second, I'll be right back, and yes, Please do your own research, not financial advice. And yes, if you want to be a part of the Discord, a part of the team, links in the bio. Yo, I'm back, guys. Really appreciate you all for sticking back in. All right, so let's get straight to it. All right, so now let's see what the damage is here. We're definitely, let's see, 1 second here. Hold on 1 second. All right, so now, bros, let's go to a 24-hour time frame, and then we'll work our way down. Oh, wow. Okay, so it looks like, all right, this actually doesn't look too bad here. Honestly, I don't know what the contracts look like, but what do we see here first, or what do I see? And let's look. We do have a clear. We have a box here that needs to be broken. We do have the empty space that looks really good. So yes, what is this? Clear move down and no consolidation. If we end up breaking above this wall here at the end of the day, and we are toying with this wall here, I personally don't see any resistance until the screen cap here. And yes, that looks really, really decent. I can't lie. Obviously, in the middle, what do we have? The empty space. From the entry to the exit, the middle of the move is our CP. So yeah, as of right now, there's just nothing for me to do except for wait. Looks really decent. So yeah, I'll definitely keep an eye on that. We do have empty space above us. Doesn't look bad. So that is on bros. Let's go to a different one. Let's go to Lunar. So Lunar looks really decent, obviously. So what did I see here? Ella, what's up? Are you waiting on anything right now for open? Personally, possibly the Qs. I do like to day trade the Qs, and possibly spy NVIDIA. So we'll have to go over NVIDIA too. But yeah, I do have a 1 hour on NVIDIA that I am, or not NVIDIA, but the Qs that I'm looking for. Obviously, the empty space move to the upside ended up going crazy. But as of right now, I'm waiting for this downside movement to happen since that upside already happened. Fist bump from North Carolina. What's up? Shout outs to the NC boys. Really appreciate it for tuning in. If you're playing Lunar today, would you have your options expiring this week or next? So personally, if I do a swing trade, I would have at least a week or two out. Obviously, I mean, a week is fine too as well. So really it depends on how long you want to hold it. But, I'm not telling you guys to buy anything, so please do your own research. Not financial advice, so please do your own research. So I'm guessing you use that chart strategy a lot. How does it do? So it does, for me, it does well. Obviously, for Lunar, this is a play that I did end up calling out. I did want this to go up to the upside, and as you can see, we had a clear move down of no consolidation. And now we're starting to break up to this upside here. So as of right now, no, not telling you guys to buy anything, so please do your own research as well. But yeah, shout out to you. I am actually from North Carolina, so that's crazy. So yeah, this strategy that I'm using, this is what I use every single day. You can see any time frame I use on a 24-hour chart. I use it on, you can see, a 1-hour chart, and that's pretty much how I use my strategy. How this is the Potter Box, obviously. Shout out Potter Stocks PBS. We're using Potter Box right now, but yeah, this is the strategy that I use to. But yeah, as you can see, if we're inside of consolidation, I never want to take a trade. And if we're outside of it, so if we break outside of consolidation, we broke outside, I do want to get in. So if we are in consolidation, you can see we're in consolidation. There's no entry for me. But if we break outside, you can see us going up to the upside. So you can see BA couldn't even get the correct image for this one, but it's fine. But now let's keep going. So Lunar actually looks really good. So yeah, if I'm in consolidation, I don't enter, because you got to understand, like, okay, let's just say, for example here, and no, I'm not saying you guys to get enter into anything, so please do your own research. But yes, let's just say if we are in this consolidation zone and I want this upside, we're just going to keep on chopping, and especially if I'm doing options, theta's going to, start to really kick in, and, I just don't want to be into a trade that's not really doing anything. So that's the reason why we wait. Yo, Jay, what's up? What's up? Lumberton, yeah, let me, can you send me the ticker? I think that's, I forgot what ticker that was. Yeah, just send that down to me. So hold on one second. So we did, Lunar. Lunar looks pretty decent. Looks like it's still trying. One second. Oh! I was so locked in, but no, from Raleigh. Yo, Jojo, what's up? What's up? But yeah, I pretty know, But yeah, I am in LA, but I am from NC though, for sure. You can probably hear it in my voice. Yo, Jojo, what's up? AMZN. All right, cool. We can definitely do that. We didn't do Apple yet. Hold on. We gotta do Apple. We did Coin. Coin looks really good. SOXL, yeah, we can do that for you as well. So if your option expires in 2 weeks, you can still sell it anytime, right? So yeah, you can go to, you can sell it anytime. So if I, buy a stock, a month out, I could sell it right now if I want to. Obviously not right now since it's pre-market, but yes, you can pretty much sell anytime that you want. All right, so for Apple, let's go over this. What's it? Oh, Shaw. Shaw, I know Shaw. I know like pretty much everything. So, oh, that's fire. When was that? What year? So now let's keep on going, guys. Hold on one second here. All right, this top wall looks really good. This looks really decent. So it really depends. If I'm like doing a day trade, and yes, please do your own research, everyone. Not financial advice, so please do your own research. But if we end up, let's just say if I'm doing a day trade for the Qs, I'm definitely not going to buy, 2 weeks out. Definitely not. I'm going to, since it's a day trade, maybe I buy a day or two out. I will be honest, I do like trading 0DTE, but if I'm like in a bigger position, I definitely would do like, just be safe. Give me a little time. Give me a little expiration. Oh, fire! Yeah, Shaw was never really been there, but drove past and stuff. But anyways, yes, top wall, bottom wall here. What do we have? We have the empty space. So above us, we have some more empty space that looks really, really decent. As you can see, once we end up breaking above this wall here, you can see empty space up here. So as of right now, we are still stuck in consolidation. There's nothing for me that I want to do except for wait. But if we can end up having a break above this wall here, I don't see any resistance to the entry, the exit, the middle of the move. And the middle of this move is the 50% mark. This is exactly what we take as soon as our first take profit gets hit. And as of right now, is there anything for me to do? Absolutely not. Absolutely not. One second here, guys. One second here. But yeah, it looks good. And yes, if you want to see what we do in the Discord, you can see what we did just yesterday. We had Tesla. We do mostly swing trading. So yes, if you are planning on joining, just make sure you guys and gals know we do mostly swing trading here. And that means end of day swings. But yes, I will, do a lot of effort and find some day trades for us like we did yesterday for the Qs. Clear move down, we end up breaking above a wall level. So yes, before, after, you can see also BA. So BA was also another great one that we did end up catching as well. So hold on one second here. But yes, link is above for the Discord. We have the free version and also the VIP version as well. One second. What's the day? May 13th. Okay, so one second here. All right, so yo, good morning. Good to see you. So yeah, Lunar, we can go back to there. We did Apple. But yeah, Lunar's looking, oh man, that's looking amazing. Yeah, hopefully we can just stick. That would be great. Is there any other strategies you use at all? I personally just utilize the Potter box and the empty space. You know, what I would suggest, and yes, please do your own research, not financial advice, but, you know, I would suggest, you know, just sticking to one strategy and, you know, one strategy only. You don't want to, you know, have so many strategies in your mind, and then you get, you know, your mind is so confused on what to use, what to do. Obviously, you don't have to use the Potter box. I use the Potter box, but, you know, you can just use any strategy. But personally, I just don't like, you know, mixing up, you know, just different strategies and like, oh, this strategy says do this other strategy says do that, and now you're confused. So this is why I just use one strategy as well. Yo, what's up? Yeah, I got you with Amazon. Let's see that as well. Amazon WGS. All right, hold on. I'm trying to find my pen. I don't know. Every live stream, I lose the pen. Oh, I found it. It was in my lap. Okay. All right, yeah, we found it. All right, so Lunar. Oh, that looks really good. I'm not gonna lie. So yeah, we'll do Amazon. Let me pull that up really quickly. AM is the end. Oh, that looks good. That looks great. Hopefully, as long as we can just stay up. So. As you can see, this was basically a lot of play. Oh, Pepsi, dude, wow, yeah, I gotta look at Pepsi too. So WGS as well, hold on. WGS, we could definitely do that as well. But hopefully we could just stay up for Lunar. Looks really good, but as you can see, this was one from, yeah, this is one from what? This is a lotto play from yesterday. This is in the VIP chat. This is what we had. I was looking for calls here for Lunar. Obviously, this is baby space that I wanted. We ended up breaking above the swaps of the before and also the after. Obviously, yes, it can end up dropping here. And our earnings plays isn't, you know, our regular plays anyways, but yeah, still end up doing really well. Or it's doing really well, at least for right now. We have the clear move down, no consolidation. You can see this was yesterday, 343. Was waiting for it to break outside the wall. So before and after. So yeah, hopefully we can keep on just going. But yes, please do your own research, not financial advice. I'm not telling you guys to buy anything, so please, you have to do your own research, of course. All right, so hold on, give me a second here. All right, so let me do Amazon and WGS. All right, so okay, I do see a couple good plays here. Potentially. One second here. And SOXL, PEP, and UNH. Yep, got you guys. Let me write this down. PEP, SOXL. All right, hold on one second. Let me make sure the chat's all good. All right, so on a 24-hour, this is what I have here. That looks really decent. My bad, I was looking at chat, making sure they were all good. I'm looking at Discord. Hold on one second. All right, so now, what do I see here? And same exact thing. This is a 24-hour trade. I see a clear move down of no consolidation, and this is exactly what I want to the upside. Obviously, what do I need? We need a top wall that needs to be broken. And in order for us to, you know, end up taking this one, we would need to break outside this wall here. So, as of right now, I don't care about this trade because we are stuck in consolidation. But if we can break outside of consolidation, that'll be good enough for me to understand, like, okay, then we have to move. But yeah, as of right now, there's nothing for me to do. Ella, what's up? If you don't care, can you show real quick where you put your lines on the chart? So, which chart? You want me to do it on this one or a different one? Actually, I think I've seen something on here. So how do I put the lines on the chart? How in the world, what do I see first? So same thing here. Let's go to a 1 hour. Okay, yeah, cool, gotcha. Yeah, no worries. Yo, Aaron, what's up, dude? How are you, man? PLTR, yeah, we'll go over that too. So, Tesla, yep, got you. All right, so, and for this one, we'll go over this as well. Watch this, dude. They always do. So that's why I love the Potter box. So, shout out to Jesus as well, man. But yeah, as you can see, what do I see here? Clear move up, no consolidation. This is exactly what I want to the downside. Obviously, what do I need here? So how do I draw this box? How do I draw this wall? So the first thing that caught my eye here, and no, I'm not telling you guys to buy anything, so please do your own research. Not financial advice, so please do your own research. But yes, if we end up breaking below this level, so yes, we need a top wall and a bottom wall. And I'm looking for points of contact. And the points of contact that I see are pretty much going to be 2 points of contact or more. And I use body candles and I also use wicks. So for this top candle, I see a body candle there and another body candle here. That's closing directly at the same price. This is going to be my top wall. My bottom wall, so yes, we have the empty space that we want to take to the downside. So the bottom wall is going to be the mainly most important wall that needs to be broken in order for me to take this to the downside. And as you can see, we have 3 points of contact here. So yes, the more points of contact, the better. Obviously, 2 is fine, but if there's 1,000 of them, that's even better. But as you can see right now, and no, I'm not telling you guys to buy anything, so please do your own research. Not financial advice, so please do your own research. But yeah, as you can see, let's look. There's a body wick and 2 body candles closing directly at the same price. And if we end up breaking underneath that level, so the first blue line is my bottom wall here. My second blue line, so I'm looking for the next resistance. Let's say if we do end up breaking under, I don't see any resistance until here. Boom. And yes, this is also another consolidation area, so another wall. And as you can see, in the middle, we have the empty space, so we know exactly where we're targeting. Obviously, you don't have to draw a box here, but I want you guys to understand we're not trading inside of consolidation. We're trading to consolidation. So, as of right now, if it keeps going up, there's nothing I can do. Obviously, you know, we know about the punch back in, early entry. But yes, we have nice top, nice bottom, the middle of the move. So yes, the middle of the move, the imbalance, this is where we typically trim most contracts. So from the entry to the exit, the literal middle, and this is going to be my third line. So technically my second line. So first is, you know, where the candles need to break. So I need to actually see a price because the box doesn't give me a price. It just gives me a box. So I had to put the blue line here. But yeah, as of right now, definitely not entering into anything. I'm only showing you guys an example here. So yes, you all have to do your own research. Yeah, no worries, Ella. Really appreciate it. So as of right now, I'm not going to do anything except for just to wait. So hold on. WGS. So now let's go over WGS. 1 second here. Yeah, thanks for the follows. Really appreciate it. Watch seeing. Yeah, I'll definitely. You know what? I'll definitely take a look at it. You know what? We'll definitely take a look at that. CNSP. We'll definitely take a look at that. Thanks for the follows. Really appreciate it. Yo, thank you so much, Johnny. Really appreciate it. And yes, guys and gals, if you want to join the Discord, link is in the bio. We have a free chat. We also have the VIP chat. The VIP chat is where we give signals. If you want to see what we did just yesterday, you can look at the games page. Ooh, that doesn't look bad here. But yeah, links in the bio for everything. But yeah, this doesn't look bad at all. So right now, same thing here. This is what I like. This is what I see. I see first thing that's caught my, that's catching my eye. Clear move down, no consolidation, and I'm looking to take this to the upside. Obviously not right now. There's just nothing for me to do because we are in consolidation, and we have nice top wall there, nice bottom wall here, and yes, top wall is going to be most important this time. So as I showed you for Amazon, clear move up, we want to take to the downside, or we have a clear move down, we want to take to the upside. So it works both ways. It doesn't really matter. As you can see, we have body wick and a body candle closing directly at the same price. And if we end up breaking above this wall, this level, I'm looking for the next resistance, and I don't see any resistance to, boom, this green candle here. Obviously, yes, I could have a liable trim here, but I'm trying to, look for the most recent price action. And yeah, that looks really good. Not bad at all. Lunar looks really decent. Just need that to stay up. A lot of these trades do as well. 1 second here. Just read the chats as well. Alright, so as you can see, yes. And this is a 24-hour chart. So if it's a 24-hour, I'm definitely not going to take a trade on it. Right now, of course, I usually like to wait until the end of the day for entries like this. And as you can see, first TP would still be the middle of the move. From the entry to the exit, the literal middle. So right now, we are in consolidation. There's nothing for me to do. I'm just going to wait. So, let me see. So whichever, the first move up or down with no consolidation we want. So yeah, pretty much it. So if I see, so let's just say we just saw a clear move down. Yes, this is exactly what I would want to the upside. So same thing with Amazon. So let's just pretend we didn't even see a box here. And we just saw like, oh man, I just saw a clear move up with no consolidation. I'm like, in my mind, I'm like, yeah, let me take that to the downside at some point in time. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Like, should I be trading on lower time frames or higher ones? So I usually like, for swing trades, I trade on the higher time frame. But yes, if you're asking about, you can always have, a higher time frame analysis, so a 1 hour, and then you can go down to a 30-minute and find your entry. So we, you can see that we ended up charting this one on the 1 hour. So if I want to find an entry, I can even go down to a 30-minute. Let's see if there's anything stopping me. No, there's nothing stopping me on the 30-minute. Even the 30-minute looks really good. Obviously, if I want to, do a smaller entry, 15-minute. Is there anything stopping me once we break under this wall? Absolutely not. So, yes, higher time frame analysis and a lower time frame entry. Obviously, 10-minute. Is there anything stopping me? Now, there's something stopping me here. Boom. We have another wall there. But, yes, I do like to, so if I chart it on 1 hour, I would, love a 1 hour entry, but yes, I would love to, even take it down on, lower time frame too. If I mark the charts on TradingView, will it save the lines of the move? Yeah, it'll save the same chart. So you can see, I'll go back to this one. So Amazon, it pretty much saves. I go to SPY, and then I can go back to Amazon, so AMZN. It pretty much saves, yeah. Saves all your progress, unless you delete it yourself. All right, so now Lunar looks really decent. A lot of these trades looking pretty good, pretty well. We'll love to see. A lot of these trades look good. Let's see. I want to see some more trades. Yeah, it doesn't look bad either. Target, still mad about Target. I didn't even catch it, but it's cool. So now let's keep going. Let's go to the Qs actually, and we'll work our way down. Oh my gosh, I can't lie. Yes, we did see that 1 hour, but on a 24-hour time frame, looks like we have some empty space here. And that empty space looks really, really good. What do I see? Clear move down to no consolidation. This is exactly what I would want to the upside. As of right now, oh man. Yeah, that looks really good. But you know what? We'll stick to the lower time frame, and then we'll possibly at the end of the day we'll do that as well. All right, so for the Q, same exact thing. QQQ. This is, if I day trade, I definitely love to take the Qs as well. 1 second here. And yes, if you want to see, I didn't even post the Qs trade in the Discord, but yes, you can see it. I posted it on TikTok. Posted pretty much everywhere. This is what we did today, or not today, but yesterday. We had Tesla. You can see Tesla hit. Nike, that ended up going crazy. That ended up going wild. BA, we had BA as well. So yeah, if you want to see what we did in the Discord, if you want to see what the members did, you can see in the games page and the testimonials. Everyone here is really cool. As you can see, more charts. I can just show you. This is what we do inside the VIP Discord. We give signals. And yes, even a 15-minute chart. We, clear move up, no consolidation. We end up breaking below a wall. We go down and tap. So yes, before, aftermath. And yeah, that's pretty much how it works. Yo, Logic, what's up? What's up? Good to see you, man. All right, so probably having a blessed one right now. Can I get a discount? So yeah, if you guys and gals need a discount code, just give me a DM. I got you guys and gals. Yeah, no worries. Yo, what's up, Infinity? How are you, man? And Meta, Lady in Red, what's up? Hold on 1 second here. Meta, okay, let me go over some more trades. We did WGS. I'm actually going to keep an eye on that. How would you get the 24-hour chart? So, perfect question, man. How do I get the 24-hour chart? And let me move this really quickly so you can see. So, all you have to do, so you're not going to, TradingView, you can't, get it, you have to do it yourself. So, you can see I have the 24-hour chart, but I had to actually add custom interval. So, you can just go up to here, add custom interval, and then you can go to the minutes, go to the hours, and then you put the 24-hour. But you can see, this already exists for me. So, yeah, that's pretty much it. So, yeah, you just go up there. So, the normal time frame, and then you add a custom interval, and then you're good. All right, and yeah, if you have any other trouble, just let me know. I got you. All right, so let me do Tesla. Let me pull up Pepsi as well. So Tesla, Pep. Let's do Pepsi too as well. All right, so hold on. Let me go to a higher time frame. So for Tesla, and this is what we already kind of did really well on Tesla. As you can see, what do we have? We had a clear move down of no consolidation, and on Friday, you can ask the team members what we did here. I can even just show you. It doesn't really matter. So potential setups. Where are you at? So you can see, yeah, this is on what? On Friday, May the 9th. You can see for Tesla, we wanted calls. We had, and yes, this is in the VIP Discord. This is what I gave, and you can see this price went from 298 all the way up to this 320 area. So we did really well on that. Obviously great week as well. Do you trade TLT? I don't think so. I could definitely take a look though. I could definitely do some research. Yo, Snow, yeah, I could definitely do that. Shout out to McCain for pulling up again. But yeah, as of right now, you can see clear move down, no consolidation. We'd love to take it to the upside, which we did. As of right now, I personally, and I'm pretty much done with this play. Don't really want to take a trade like this anymore because we pretty much already took this already. But on a 1 hour, so if we want to break it down on a 1 hour, we definitely can. Let me go ahead and get rid of all these charts. But now let's look at this. What do we have here? Still, we have nice top wall, beautiful bottom wall. Hold on, let me see if I want to. Yeah, that's fine there. So we have a bottom wall that needs to be broken in order for us to take this to the downside. And if we do end up breaking below this wall, I don't see any resistance to boom. Here, this green candle. And yes, this is also another area of consolidation. So as of right now, if we end up breaking below this wall, there's just no resistance until this red candle there. Obviously, one second here. The middle of the move is the empty space, is exactly where we trim those contracts. But yeah, as of right now, definitely not saying you guys to enter into anything. So please do your own research. Not financial advice. So yes, you all have to do your own research, of course. UNH, yo Blanca, what's up? Yeah, we can definitely do that for you. 1 second here. Oh wait, hold on. So Pepsi, let's see. All right, yeah, we do have something here that looks really good. I'm actually going to keep an alert there. Doesn't look like we'll get this right at this second. Snow. Also for Lunar, personally, it looks like, my first CP is about to be hit. So I personally wouldn't want to, trade this just because we are, close to my first CP. But yeah, I will be telling team members, if they did end up getting in, I definitely claim a little bit of profits, probably hold the rest as well. So UNH as well, and Apple. Yep, got you guys, no worries. UNH, oh, we do have Apple pulled up already. All right, perfect. So UNH, all right, so we go to a 24-hour time frame. All right, this does look really good. Wow, we dipped. Oh man, we actually really dipped. All right, so looks like, all right, I can see why we dipped. We dipped into the empty space. Looks like we could end up dropping just a little bit more. But, hold on, where are you at? So right here, right now, what I see here, personally for me, like if I would want to trade this one, this is what I would do. So yeah, we have the empty space. That, this is the great part. This is the, good part about this, good news. We have the empty space that we will love to take to the upside. But as of right now, we need some structure. So in other words, we need a top wall and also a bottom wall. And as of right now, you can see that we don't have any structure yet. So yes, once we establish the top wall and the bottom wall, that's when I can be like, okay, maybe we can take it to the upside. But as of right now, I definitely don't want to take this one, just because there's no structure that's formed yet, at least for me. So we'll also pull up snow, you guys. I want to see that as well. Apple, I was supposed to go over Apple too. So Apple, this is what I had. I think I did go over Apple, but anyways, it's cool. So Apple right now, we have empty space to the upside and the downside. And yes, what do we have here? One second there. What is this? So yes, we have a clear move down of no consolidation. And this is exactly what I would want to the upside. Obviously, Tesla Robotaxi may be delayed. Oh, wow. Honestly, when it does, end up coming out, maybe we'll, maybe I'll do a video in it, but it's cool. But yeah, let's see. As of right now, we're stuck in consolidation both ways, so there's just nothing that I would want to do here except for just to wait. So yeah, as of right now, what am I going to do? Absolutely nothing, because we're in a consolidation. And so, like, all these charts that I've shown you, like, even, yesterday. So, this is what we did yesterday inside the Discord. Obviously, we had the Qs play as well. But these setups, like Tesla, I've been waiting on Tesla for, like, a couple of weeks. And obviously, we had other plays that we got into. We just didn't wait on this one. But, yes, if we're in consolidation, I don't take the trade. But look what happened once we ended up breaking outside of consolidation. We ended up targeting to the upside. Same thing with Nike. I was waiting for a long time. Clear move down, no consolidation. We end up breaking above a level, a wall. We went up a tap. Yo, thanks for the follows. Really appreciate it. Yo, Joey, yep, got you, man. Yeah, no worries. You can see, VA, we were waiting. We ended up breaking above the wall. We ended up touching my final take profit there. All right, so now let's keep going. Yo, thanks for the follows, guys. And yes, if you want to be a part of the team, be a part of the Discord, you can join the free version. We also have the VIP version as well. VIP version is where we give signals. If you want to see what we do here, obviously I wish I could show you, but I can't. Links in the bio for everything. Yeah, no worries. Thanks for the follows once again. One second here, 1 second. So for snow. Alright, so it does look like we have a little bit of empty space up there. But personally, let's go to a lower time frame, see if I can break this one down. I don't know. I just don't like how these candles look, to be honest. Yes, I did see the empty space above us, but it just doesn't look like a trade I want to take here. Alright, 1 second here, 1 second. We did Apple, we did Tesla, we did Lunar. We did pretty much everything as well. Hold on 1 second here. We got to do Meta. Also, we can do one second. NVAX. Let's do that. Let me pull. So I'm just gonna pull up everything that you guys want me to look at too as well. I'm personally waiting for some good trades, like for the Qs and things of that sort. And then yes, I will end up doing the end of day trades as well. Hold on, let me change this as well. Hold on. Look at Disney, Pepsi, POTR. All right, yep, got you guys and gals. Shout out to Ella for pulling up once again. All right, so yeah, it does look like it did really well. Man, I'm not gonna lie here. I wish I would have held. So this was a play that we actually did get into, that we did call out as well. So let me scroll up, and it's somewhere in here. 1 second here. 1 second. It's here. So this was in the disc. We ended up taking profits there. But look here. Look what happened. We had a clear move down of no consolidation. We ended up breaking above a wall. So look here. We had a box that needed to be broken. Obviously, we know about the early punch back here, early entry there. But we ended up at the end of the day breaking above this top wall. And look what happened. We just ended up going all the way up into this empty space. It was actually wild. Obviously, no, I didn't, I pretty much sold, all my contracts around here. But yeah, still, it was from this 92 area up to this $100 area where I did end up selling. But yeah, if I would have held, oh yeah, that would have been a bag. But, it was cool. Still did pretty well on it. Hold on 1 second here. All right, so now POTR. Hold on. Lunar looks really good. A lot of these trades look really decent. Yeah, that looks really, really good. Hold on. NVAX. Let's look at this too as well. And yes, if you want to be a part of the Discord, if you want to be a part of the team, link is in the bio. You guys and gals can join up. If you want to just join the free version, you definitely can. Everyone there is pretty cool as well. So hold on. BITO. Let me see. I'm actually got to leave that up. BITO. Let's do that. Yeah, no worries. NVAX. So yeah, right here, personally, let's see. If I was going to trade this one, personally, I definitely won't take a trade on this. But still, let's look. We have envy space here. It looks really decent. We do have nice top, bottom wall there. And if we end up breaking above this wall here, don't see any resistance still there. So yeah, that's pretty much it for that. Doesn't look bad. So BITO, personally, it looks like we did end up already targeting into this empty space already. As you can see, hold on, did not mean to do that. We ended up touching there. This is where we're struggling to get at. So if we end up breaking below, I wouldn't be surprised. Obviously, new entry though. Looks really decent. What is this, guys and gals? Same thing. Clear move up, no consolidation. This is exactly what I want to the downside. If we end up breaking below this wall here. So yes, we have nice top, nice bottom wall. We end up breaking below this wall here. I personally don't see any resistance until this red candle there. And yes, looks really good. It looks really decent. But yeah, as of right now, there was, as you can see, top wall, bottom wall here. Inside the middle, we have the inbound. So this is where we typically trim. So that was, as you can see, it was more of like a 10-cent move because that was from the 643 area to that 653. I didn't really see anything on a higher time frame that I personally liked. Maybe if I go down to like a weekly, I could. It's just, you know, for me, it has a lot of consolidation. You know, if I did want to take this one as well, I like this. So there's another top wall here. But it looks like, you know, we won't be getting this one right now since we're, you know, currently down here. But yeah, if we can end up breaking above the stop level, we have empty space from that 934 to that this 1176 area. Yo, appreciate you all so much for tuning in. Yo, Paddle, what's up? CAVA, only wear sweatpants. What's up? Good to see you. So yes, my Discord, so yeah, if you want to join the Discord, we have a free version. Obviously, if you don't want to be a part of the VIP, no worries at all. But yeah, we have a free version. Everyone there is really cool. VIP version, we do have, that's where we give signals. So yeah, you can pretty much get in anytime you want. You can cancel anytime you want. But yeah, if you just want to stick to the live streams, that's pretty much it as well. And yes, you know, for the Discord, we have the weekly, we have the monthly, the yearly, the lifetime as well. So really just depends. But yeah, obviously we do have the free chat if you guys and gals just want to join that. It's pretty cool too. All right, so hold on one second there. Looks really decent. Not bad at all. So personally, yeah, we definitely will have to wait on this one, Joey, for sure. But yeah, it doesn't look bad though. Good morning, good morning. Yeah, no worries at all, no worries. So hold on one second. CAVA, let's do that. So yeah, still looks really decent. As you can see for Kava, we finally, you know, wanted to get a little bit of movement here. As you can see, one second there. Yeah, this looks really good. So as you can see, we had another box that needed to be broken. We ended up breaking above. So now the empty space is trying to be filled here. Obviously, no, I'm not saying guys to buy anything. So please do your own research. Not financial advice. Yo, shout out to Liv. Thanks for pulling up. Thanks for the likes. Really appreciate it. So yeah, empty space looks really good. All right, so that looks fairly decent. Lunar looks pretty good too as well. Hold on one second. One second here, one second here. One second here, everyone. One second, I'm typing. One second. My bad, I was reading the chat. Alright, so we're good. Alright, so let's keep on going, guys. Guys and gals, would appreciate it. Trump going live in 20 minutes. Wow. Dude, the chat, they're going crazy right now. Alright, anyways. Pep, yeah, let's go over that too as well. Alright, so let's go to a... Yeah, I feel like it's going to be a volatile day for sure. We'll have to see, though. We'll definitely see. So for Pep, I do like this. So yeah, this 24-hour looks good. I think it matches up with this 4-hour. Hold on, give me a second here. Let me make sure it does. Alright, so I will be honest. I do like this 4-hour a little bit better. So what I see here, that looks really good. That's, you know, really catching my eye. Alright, so yes, what do we see here? Clear move down, no consolidation. This is exactly what I want to the upside. Obviously, what do I need here? Another top, another bottom wall here. So, this top wall that I'm pretty much seeing, as you can see, nice, beautiful top. So yes, two body candles closing directly at the same line. And I like this a lot. So yes, if we end up breaking above, I don't see any resistance until this 140 area. So, wow, that looks really good. Yes, we do have, if you want to make it a little bit easier on yourself, we have another top wall, another bottom wall here. And yes, we're not trading inside of consolidation, of course. We're trading to consolidation. So as of right now, there's nothing for me to do except for just to wait. What do we have? Top wall, bottom wall. Inside the middle, we have the empty space that, you know, we like. This is exactly what we need here. Inside the middle, we have the empty space. It looks really good. As of right now, we are consolidating. There's nothing for me to do except for just to wait. I'm not going to do anything here. But yeah, it looks really, really good if we can get above this level. I definitely already have my, you know, alert set for this. All right, so 1 second here, 1 second. Yeah, a lot of these trades are looking pretty good. I'm going to pull all these trades up. Is there any way to manipulate the expiration dates, like if I wanted one to expire in 1 day? I mean, you can obviously get, like, you know, the 1 day, you get, you know, there's 0 DTE, so option contracts that expire, you know, the same day. So for the Qs, there are 1 day contracts, you know, there are a couple day contracts. You don't have to buy, you know, a week out or 2 weeks. Hopefully that answered your question, though. So I personally will be watching the Qs that open, and possibly watching what, you know, Trump is going to say here. But yes, guys, please do your own research, not financial advice. You all have to do your own research, of course. And yes, I will be getting off now. I have a lot of work to do inside the VIP Discord. So yeah, I probably will be on live in another, like, what, hour or so. So yes, if you all want to join up, link is in the bio. We have the free chat. We also have the VIP chat. But yes, you can all join up as well. Oh wait, Pato, I got you, man. I got you. AAOI, yeah, let's do it.